Hey there YouTube, thanks for checking out my channel. This is Random Roads. My name's Frank, and this is a little introduction to my trip for today. While I'm starting off here in Eels Creek, just off Highway 28, and I'm going to do Northeast Bay. Wait for that truck to go by. I'm going to ride Northeast Bay Road today. It's the north side of Stoney Lake. Stoney Lake sits in the Kawarthas. It's part of the Trent Severn Waterway. And Stoney Lake connects into a Lower Buckhorn and then Upper Buckhorn. And continues on down into, the Trent River system actually goes from Georgian Bay, and the Trent Severn Waterway goes from Georgian Bay all the way across Ontario into Lake Ontario. And Stoney Lake happens to be one of the more beautiful lakes along the way. And we're going to ride the north side of that. Won't be able to see a whole lot of Stoney Lake itself from the ride, but you'll get the idea as to what it's like, just in terms of the affluence of the cottage country area there. So, sit back and have an enjoyable ride. It's a nice and curvy road, lots of twists and turns. It's not very long, it's only about 7 or 8 kilometers. So this might be maybe a 15-minute video at the most. And sit back, and we're just about ready to go. Thanks, and if you do enjoy this, please don't forget to subscribe. Catch you later. So YouTubers, here we are. This is Northeast Bay Road. And like I say, it's on the north side of Stoney Lake. We'll take a little cruise and show you the windy road. It's a beautiful little ride. What a gorgeous day. Absolutely perfect. I'd like to actually show you the lake as well. Maybe I can find a spot where I can send up the drone and give you a bird's eye view of what it's like around here. On this side of, being the north side of Stoney Lake, you got some beautiful cottages along here. I'll tell you what, this area is quite affluent. On the southern side of Stoney Lake, it's actually a little more affluent. You got like kind of Millionaires Row or Billionaires Row over there. You got some people like movie stars and rock stars that own property on the southern side of Stoney Lake. Yeah, so today is June the 20th. I guess it's one more day, and we're on the longest day of the year. And then from here on in, it's just downhill. A few years ago, I used to ride a Kawasaki 1200 ZZR. Yeah, that was a whole different riding experience. Nothing like this cruiser I'm riding right now. Yeah, the ZZR, boy, I could rip these turns pretty good. Although the Speed limit is 60k. You can imagine on a ZZR, these winding roads would be quite a thrilling ride. And yeah, I wouldn't be going 60k, so you get my message. Beautiful. Actually, I think there was a spot back there I could launch the drone. Although I don't want to piss anybody off, it's all private property around here. Just beautiful. I mean, this road is nice now in the summertime, but my goodness, in the fall it's breathtaking. This is part of Eels Creek. Maybe I'll come back there and launch a drone from there. Yeah, it's probably a good idea. I'll get up to a Petroglyphus Park, come back, park my bike up there at Eels Creek, and send up the drone. Oh, there's a public beach down there. Maybe I can try that. Well, I certainly hope that you enjoyed that ride on Northeast Bay Road. And I was lucky enough to be able to catch, a few minutes of a drone video. It gives you an idea, more or less, of what it's like around that area. And right now I'm at Burleigh Falls. This is only a few minutes from Northeast Bay Road. But we're on the south side now of Stoney Lake. Stoney Lake is down and over there. This Burleigh Falls flows into Stoney Lake, and it comes from Lower Buckhorn, and then a little further up is Upper Buckhorn, and that's actually where I live. As you can see, it's not really a falls, it's just a rapid, and there's a little more of a drop a little further down, but not really a falls. So, once again, if you enjoyed the video, I would certainly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel, give me a like and maybe a couple of comments. That would be fantastic. Thanks so much. It's always a pleasure doing these videos, and I hope to do many more during the summer. I want to give you a good idea of the area I live in, the Kawarthas, and maybe a few other nearby counties and regions like Muskoka, for example. So that's it for now. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you on the rebound. Bye-bye.